Hi, today I'm going to show you my sketchbook. In this sketchbook, I was inspired by manga, manhwa, manhwas, and anime, so it turned out to be different from my usual style. Let's start. I wanted to somehow design the title page, and I even wrote the date. And yeah, in fact, I started the sketchbook on March of last year, drew the pictures, and forgot about them until April of this year. Typical me. Even though I generally use minimalistic style in this sketchbook, I like to add one bright color for an accent. I saw this one on the lake and tried to draw it. I tried to draw circles on the water with a pen. Yeah, it was okay with a pencil, but I needed a pen. This is just a cool house. I decided to take a picture before they're teared down. Maybe I'll paint it later, but I don't know whether to make it dilapidated or normal. In real life, the level of destruction of this building is The Last of Us. Even trees are growing inside. I'm not joking, really. So I don't know. This drawing was inspired by Yingyu from Heaven Official's Blessing. They all wear masks in this novel, and I wanted to draw something with a mask too. For some reason, I was touched by this character. It was interesting to me to draw angry or bad characters, because I mostly draw good ones and good girls. And here I decided to get out of my cliché. And it was a rather difficult challenge, I must say. Here I wanted to draw something ethnic. I couldn't decide what color of hair would fit better, and I had black and white hair characters in this sketchbook too much. At first I made her hair grey, but it looked weird. And I thought maybe brown would look good with red. Then I added red shadows, and now she looks like a vampire. Not what I have planned actually. But okay. Oh, that's funny. I've searched Yuri anime. I meant Yuri on Ice anime. And got strange results. Then I've tried Yuri character anime. And got this one. Well, I like the character's design, so. When I was drawing him, I had a feeling that he reminds me of someone. And then it dawned on me. I had a classmate who dressed just like that, exactly the same. The only difference is that he had black hair. By the way, here's what you get if you spray a fixative on watercolor pencils and watercolor marker. I don't recommend it. Here starts my attempts to copy arts from manhwa. And this is the first character, He Xuan. I don't know why, but this moment with Xie Lian was heart-touching for me. If only the cinnamon roll knew what the future holds for him. I like to redraw other artists' drawings. When I copy someone else's style, I can find some new tricks and learn something new. And of course, if I drew Xie Lian, I just had to draw Hua Cheng. I don't know why, but for some reason, I'm so funny about his face expression. Only when I started drawing, I saw that characters in this donghua have snake eyes. I mean, the form of pupils. Please, don't look at the writing. Hua Cheng has jinxed it. I like so much in this character that he has two so different sides. I like them both, so I drew both. This is just a girl with birds in a fur coat. All birds will fly away soon. And winter is coming. I don't want the winter to come. This one I drew from my head, and when I draw from my head, as a rule, the hands look like they were generated by AI. I haven't decided on the snake. I think I like the one on the leg more, but I don't know if it's poisonous. That's why I drew it weekly and using Blender, so that I can fix it later if I need. What kind of snake is it? Yeah, this sketchbook can get to know what I read and listened. A kind of diary. I like the concept of this music video. Yeah, I like pink hair. I wanted to draw the same girl in different ways and styles. I think I prefer this one. Here she's sassy. Here I think she has capricious nature, and here she's a bit ditzy. This one is also from my head. I had one idea for eyes, but didn't realize it. Oh, here starts drawing from Manhwas. This is my emotions while reading. It's very beautiful manhwa. And doleful at the same time. My second manhwa, by the way. After this one, I thought I wouldn't read manhwas anymore. It's the same character, by the way. I would be glad if you could recommend me some manga, manhwa, manhwa with beautiful art style. I'm wondering how manhwaka draws his hair. It's so detailed, and draw all those strands of hair seems difficult. Maybe she knows a life hack? I regret that I painted the background black. I should have continued the glass mirror theme. I haven't come up with a background for the reflections in the mirrors yet either. If you are interested, this is how sketch looked like before detailization. I wanted to draw a creepy girl with vibe of Silent Hill. I like the combination of something cute and frightening. As for me, it works better in horrors than just ugly monsters. Stop, what's an English name of this anime? I saw only Jujutsu Kaisen in the beginning. Magic Combat? Sorcerer Battle? Seriously? Actually, I started watching this anime because I saw this legendary scene in shorts. You know that one? Are you the strongest because you are Gojo Satoru? Or are you Gojo Satoru because you are the strongest? Such a beautiful scene. And I like, okay, I'm in. Started watching and where is Satoru and Suguru I came for? Satoru has a wipe of Vitini Kiefer, and Suguru is not Suguru. Well, I saw only first season, have big hopes to the second. In the first season, I liked only Todo. This best of friend though is not my type of man, but he's so funny, and I love his bun so much. More Todo. Todo is never enough. He reminds me Jackie from Cyberpunk on this drawing. I need stickers with him. I think those two would be the most used for me. Here I practice in poses. It's so hard for me to draw fabric and folds on the clothes, even with the reference. On the left side, I draw the fourth face, and on the right side, I've tried to make it closer to the original. And that's all. If only you have known how this sketchbook smells. It has a strong scent of lemon because I've used fixative spray.